Hey guys, Meteorologist Chris Tomer here with this afternoon mountain weather update. We've got a fast moving cold front right to radar in motion. It's coming out of Wyoming. It's got lift, it's got cold air. A friend of mine up in Casper said temp dropped about 20-25 degrees in about 30 minutes. So it's definitely got some lift with it. Let me just zoom in just a touch here so you get an idea of what we're dealing with. So the front is somewhere in here, and it's driving south very fast. And you can see it's producing thunderstorms right here. This is a significant weather advisory for northeast Colorado. Strong thunderstorms, nickel-sized hail, gusty winds, maybe some dust being kicked up. But the whole thing will be driving to the south here very fast through Denver. And we're going to see snow up here in the foothills and snow across the Palmer Divide above 6,000 feet with this. Okay, let's look at bullet points. So fast mover today, tonight, tomorrow morning. It may still be snowing in parts of Colorado tomorrow morning, and then the storm will race out, and then we're going to get high pressure for a few days into early May. And then there's a Pacific low that now, which is a change from this morning, looks like it will push moisture or waves of moisture with snow through the Sierra into Utah, Wyoming, and Colorado. So we'll look down the road at that coming up. I wrote about it this morning on my blog, christomer.com. Forecast wind, freezing level, the fast snow. So if you're interested in this, forecast wind gust, I've got Quandary up, Beard Stat, Superior, and Grand Teton. If you're interested in maybe you're going to be climbing or ski mountaineering this weekend, take a look at that. Max wind gust, there's the Grand Teton. So we do have a couple windy days ahead. Forecast freezing levels, take a look at those for the Wasatch, Central Mountains of Colorado, daily max and min. So for example, big time drop in the freezing level tonight down to 84 and then down to 7,000 by tomorrow morning. It will jump up to 9,500 by tomorrow afternoon, and then much, much higher for the weekend with warm temps coming in. So take a look at that. Before we get to the forecast freezing level or forecast timing, I want to show you the jet forecast. This is 5-6, and this is a big change from this morning. Look at that. West-east flow will bring that area of low pressure and moisture into the interior from the Sierra into probably Wyoming, Utah, maybe even Idaho and Colorado. And let me just show you the difference from this morning in the jet. So this was the pattern from this morning. Big time difference, right? The low isn't as deep on 5-6. It's more of a west to east jet, so it's bringing and escorting that moisture in. All right, let's go back now and take a look at the forecast radar and satellite. All right, so here's our fast mover. Boom. It's in here tonight. And by tomorrow morning, it's largely in southern Colorado. And then it moves away, so that moderate snow moves out. And then it's high pressure for a few days. You can see the low coming out of the Pacific Northwest and parts of the Pacific off the California coast. There it comes, starts to materialize into 5-3. And then it would move in, and we'd start to see waves of moisture escorted in from the jet into not only the Sierra, but Utah, Wyoming, and potentially Colorado as well. All right, let me just show you what the totals are. 427 through 429. Remember, a lot of this happens tonight, tomorrow morning in Colorado. 4 to 8 inches from the foothills up to the Continental Divide. 9 down in Kuchar. So if you're going to be skiing Loveland A Basin tomorrow, expect 6, 7, 8 inches of new snow. Then the second period, and this is a change from this morning. Now I do have some snow returning to Wyoming, Utah, and Colorado. It's not a lot, 1 to 3. But we could be looking at significant snow for the Sierra. Look at that, potentially a foot of snow through Tahoe, Mammoth, and Shasta. All right, guys, enjoy this new snow that we're going to get. Take care, and thanks for tuning in.